Good morning, dear children. Welcome in today's class. Today we are going to learn about land pollution. Before this, let's have a quick recap of what we studied in the previous class. In our previous class, we discussed the meaning of environment, pollution, then the resources provided by nature and how we are misusing those resources. Then these resources, they are of two types, renewable and non-renewable resources. Then what is the effect of pollution? Pollution is gradually destroying our planet. There are two main reasons of pollution. First, growth in population. जब एक जगह पे रहने वाले लोग, जिसे हम पॉपुलेशन कहते हैं, when there is growth in population means the number of people is increasing every day. This results in pollution. Why? Because the people who are living in that particular area, they will use more resources. It will result in more wastage, and wastage we have already studied in our previous chapter. Then advancement in the field of science and technology. We all know that science बहुत तेज़ी से एडवांस हो रही है. There are many vehicles, factories, machineries. But on the other hand, एक तरफ तो इनसे हमें benefit हो रहा है, but on the other hand, they are destroying our planet also. This technology is resulting in the environmental pollution. Now, let's move to the types of pollution. Today's lesson is going to be about land pollution. Now the question is, what is this land pollution? The presence of toxic chemicals in soil. It occurs mainly due to the indirect and direct effects of the human activities. Toxic chemicals means those chemicals which are harmful, and we mix these chemicals in the soil. It occurs mainly due to the indirect and direct effects of human activities. Means हम जो भी activities करते हैं, like we throw garbage in the open areas, factories, they are producing lots of waste product. ये सारी चीज़ें आपकी लैंड में या सॉइल में मिक्स होती हैं and it results in land pollution. Let's move to the causes of land pollution. Throwing garbage in the open areas. So, this is harmful for our environment. Mining. Mining, we all know that digging of resources from the land. इससे भी land destroy होती है. Trash from the factories, waste from the factories, they are thrown away in open areas. Pesticides and fertilizers. Now this pesticides and fertilizer, they are used by the farmers in the field. These pesticides and fertilizers, they help in the improvement of the quality of crop and soil. But on the other hand, ये pesticides और ये fertilizers जो हैं, pesticides होते हैं, छोटे pest होते हैं, कीड़े होते हैं, insects होते हैं जो crop को खराब करते हैं. तो इसके लिए farmers pesticides spread करते हैं all over the field, plants पे. It is a kind of white colored powder जिसको स्प्रे करते हैं, लिक्विड फॉर्म में करते हैं और स्प्रे करते हैं. तो दिस इज रिजल्टिंग इन द डिस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ द लैंड. यहाँ पे उन पेस्टिसाइड्स की वजह से, वो जो केमिकल्स हैं उनकी वजह से लैंड की क्वालिटी डे बाय डे ख़राब होती जाती है. कुछ समय के लिए वो आपको बहुत प्रोडक्टिविटी देते हैं, बहुत अच्छी क्रॉप प्रोवाइड करते हैं, लेकिन ड्यू टू द रेगुलर यूज़ ऑफ दीज पेस्टिसाइड्स आपकी जो लैंड होती है वो ख़राब हो जाती है। फर्टिलाइज़र्स आर ऑल्सो यूज्ड इन द फील्ड, जिससे कि आप अपना एग्रीकल्चर बहुत अच्छा कर सकते हैं, क्रॉप की क्वालिटी अच्छी होती है। बट द सेम वे पेस्टिसाइड्स की तरीके ही फर्टिलाइज़र्स भी आफ्टर सर्टेन पीरियड ऑफ टाइम दे स्टार्ट डिस्ट्रॉइंग द नेचुरल क्वालिटी ऑफ द सॉइल। जो नेचुरल क्वालिटी है सॉइल की उसको ख़राब कर देते हैं। That's why it is always suggested to use manure in the field. Now we get manure from the biodegradable biodegradable materials. आपने पढ़ा है biodegradable and non-biodegradable. Biodegradable means vegetables, then vegetable peel, fruits, dried leaves, dead bodies of animals. So all these are biodegradable और इससे आपके जो soil होता है, the quality of the soil it improves, and जो pesticides और fertilizers होते हैं they destroy the natural quality of the soil, but manure it enhances the natural quality of the soil. Now let's have a quick review of what are the causes of land pollution. Throwing of garbage in the open, which makes the land dirty and filthy. Use of insecticides, pesticides and fertilizers for a long period of time. It also destroys the land. Then cutting of trees, that is deforestation, also leads to land pollution, and deforestation also leads to air pollution. This we will discuss later. Then soil erosion. Now what is soil erosion? See, due to the deforestation, the upper layer of the soil, जो soil की ऊपर सबसे ऊपर की लेयर होती है, बिकॉज़ जब हम ट्रीज़ को कट करते हैं तो उनके जो रूट्स होती हैं वो लूज़ हो जाती हैं, एंड जो मिट्टी आसपास होती है, जो सॉइल, वो अब उनकी रूट्स छोड़ देती हैं. सो दिस सॉइल इट इज़ टेकन अवे बाय द एयर, बाय द वाटर और बाय अदर ह्यूमन एक्टिविटीज़. वो वहाँ से हट जाती है. दिस कॉजेज़ सॉइल इरोजन. तो soil erosion and land degradation means the quality of the land it degrades, also results in land pollution. Let's move to the effects of land pollution. How can land pollution affect humans and animals? Land pollution can affect humanity in many ways. It can cause birth defects, the development of breathing disorders, skin diseases, and cancer. Land pollution can also affect animals. It forces animals to change their habitat, and also that could lead to their extinction. Now birth defect means जब आप बर्थ आपका होता है, बेबी का बर्थ होता है, उसी टाइम पे कुछ डिफेक्ट्स आ जाते हैं, जैसे ब्रीदिंग डिसऑर्डर, डिफ़िकल्टी इन ब्रीदिंग. डिसऑर्डर मीन्स प्रॉब्लम्स. देन स्किन डिजीज़ेस, इरिटेशन, इचिंग, स्किन रैशेस, ये सारी चीज़ें. एंड देन कैंसर. Then how it affects the animals? It forces the animal to change their surrounding, to change their environment. Habitat means environment. And it also leads to their extinction. वो गायब हो जाते हैं क्योंकि उन्हें प्रॉपर एनवायरनमेंट नहीं मिलता. लैंड नहीं है तो देयर विल बी नो ट्रीज़. मतलब पल्यूटेड लैंड है तो वहाँ पे अच्छी ग्रोथ नहीं होगी ट्रीज़ की. so they need a shelter. Animals too need a shelter. जब उन्हें shelter नहीं मिलेगा, food नहीं मिलेगा, तो they will move to other places also. The best example is during the Magh, in the month of January and February, you can see many Siberian birds in your city. Why they shift here? Because of the weather. In the same way, food or water or shelter के लिए animals too move to the different places. Now it's time for solutions for land pollution. 3 R's which you have already studied: reduce, recycle and reuse. Reduce means कम use करना, recycle means by changing their form, and reuse means दोबारा से use करना. Reduce the use of pesticides and fertilizer. Instead of pesticides and farmers they can use ash. Ash को field पे sprinkle करके, then fertilizers की जगह पे they can use manure. This will result in improvement of the quality of soil without land pollution. By producing less waste. Think of 3 other solutions to stop land pollution. This is your today's homework. Thank you everyone.